Assalamu alaikum. I am Isra Salahuddin. Today, inshallah, we'll explain urea cycle. Okay. As you know, all amino acids contain a carboxyl group, amino group, and a side chain which called R, attached to the alpha carbon. Okay? This information, you already know it from the chemistry of amino acids, right? Okay. What is urea? Urea is a water-soluble, it's non-toxic organic compound which is produced as a result of amino acids catabolism. Okay? 80% of the nitrogen is excreted as urea, which made in the liver. The series of the reaction, okay, are distributed between the mitochondrial matrix and the cytosol. These reactions are called urea cycles. It has another name which is Krebs-Henselt cycle. Okay? In the mitochondrial matrix, ammonia and CO2 are condensed together to form carbamoyl phosphate catabolized carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. Focus with this enzyme. The enzyme is called carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. This enzyme is using two equivalents of ATP. Okay? You can see in the diagram there, okay, the formation of the carbamoyl phosphate. And the formation of the carbamoyl phosphate is by using two ATP molecule. And there is a liberation of 2 ADP. What about the carbamoyl phosphate synthetase enzyme? The carbamoyl phosphate synthetase enzyme actually are of two types. Okay, the one that will be used in this reaction, or actually the one that existing in this reaction is carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. It's a mitochondrial, okay, and it can form carbamoyl phosphate in the urea cycle. While the carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2 is a cytosolic carbamoyl phosphate synthetase and is involved in the pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. Okay? So, after the formation of the carbamoyl phosphate, what about ornithine? Ornithine is one of the biomolecules which arising in the cytosol and is transported to the mitochondrial matrix, where ornithine transcarbamylase will catalyze the condensation of ornithine with carbamoyl phosphate producing citrulline. Okay? So here there is formation of citrulline. Okay? The energy in this reaction is provided by the high energy anhydride of the carbamoyl phosphate, and the product is citrulline. What about citrulline? Citrulline is then transported to the cytosol, okay? And then the remaining reactions will take place in the cytosol. Okay? So part of the reactions will occur in the mitochondrial matrix, the rest of the reaction will occur in the cytosol.